This is my 2018 Tacoma off-road. Today we're going to be removing the grill. I'm going to do some plasti dip. This will apply to anybody that wants to do a grill swap or something similar to what I'm doing. Let's do it. Alright, to remove your grill, you're going to have two 10 mils, one right here. Then all you got to do is take this clip out and one on the other side, and that's it. That holds the grill, and there's a couple of clips down in the bottom, but you just pull straight out and it'll come on out. You have this guy right here to unhook for the wiring harness to the sensor if you have the sensor. You also need to unhook this one too if you're going to take the sensor or the grill out with the sensor in it. Alright, after you get your grill out, you're going to have 8 screws to take out, 3 on each side, 1 at the bottom and at the top, and drop your grill out. To get your sensor off the grill, you're going to have to remove this screw here, and you got two 10 mils, one right there and one right there. If you're not changing grills, you're just doing a plasti dip job like me, obviously you don't need to take that off. If you're doing a grill swap and you do have the sensor, then this would apply to you. If you're leaving that on and you're going to actually take the grill out like I did, you're going to have to get this guy off here too. It's a little easier to get off once you actually undo all the clips and the screws and remove the grill from the outer bezel or shroud, and then yeah, you can go ahead and disconnect that. On my grill, the center comes out in 2 pieces. There's the main center with the sensor spot there, and there's this right here, the outer ring. You can plasti dip whatever you want, however you want to do it. I'm gonna do both center and outer ring, just because on this outer ring is where the 8 screws go. There's the one at the top, the bottom, and then the 3 down the sides here. And then this kind of sandwiches the center grill into the outer, the main piece, the actual body panel right there. Alright, here's the outer ring blacked out. I'm going to see how that looks, and if I don't like it, I'm going to black this guy too. I already prepped it. It's just plasti dip, so you don't have to get too carried away, but let's see what it looks like. The main grill sprayed, got a nice matte finish. So let's slap this back together. So here you can kind of see how the grill sets inside this outer bezel or shroud or whatever you want to call it. But this is the center of the grill, and then it just clips in with the clips that go around. No screws hold this in, just the clips. Then this outer ring will go around the outside of it, and it'll clip in through clips also, but have screws that kind of sandwich the inner grill in between the outer ring and this shroud or bezel housing, whatever. Yeah, so I'm gonna throw that on, throw these screws in it. We're gonna slap it in and see what it looks like. I didn't have to take this center out whenever I did the plasti dip. Whenever you tape this, if you're plasti dipping and you're gonna leave this in here, or you're keeping the stock grill just plasti dipped, leave yourself some space, about 1/2 inch around whenever you tape up, and actually plasti dip over onto this side of what you're trying to picking at it. Literally just took the tape out, and then like almost like another piece of tape, just peeled the plasti dip on around the side, and looks nice and clean, good sharp lines. Yeah, that's everything, and that's what it looks like finished.